I have changed now. Do you see the blank screen?
Yes, sir. Blank I can see.
Uh, Now can you see handwritten screen as a notebook?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what I was telling, see now if it is 1 upon s, then it is like this. If it is 1 upon s square, it will be like this. If it is s, then it will be like this. If it is s square, it will be like this. These are the magnitude plots. So this is pole at 0 at origin. This is pole at origin. This is your phase angle plot. Hmm. Minus 90, minus 180. Then this is plus 90 plus 180. This is for 0 and this is for poles. Okay. This is what we saw just now. So 2 plus 2, 4. Then this is 2 plus 2, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 plot. Okay. And this is a constant ka plot, 9 plots. Plus simple pole 1 upon 1 plus ts and simple 0, that is 1 plus ts. So now we will see the effect of constant. So suppose now if it is 10 upon s, if it is 10 upon s. So we know if we take only 10, then magnitude is 20 log of 10. 20 log of 10 will be 20, isn't it? So I am going to get a
Yes.
straight line. So first you have to draw a straight line. Okay, effect of 10 समझ में आया? Now you have 10 upon s, we are dividing into 10 into 1 upon s. So 1 upon s, if it is 1 upon s, then it is minus 20 and it is sloping downwards. बराबर है? So what you have to do,
Yes, sir.
how to plot 1 upon s? If it is only, had it been only 1 upon s, then it would have been like this. Okay, correct? 20 से लेके, you remember, no?
Yes, sir.
Had it been 1 upon s, then graph would have been here, like this. 20 से, had it been 1 upon s square, then it would have been 40 से like this. Had it been only s, then it would have started from here. So now, if had it been 1 upon s, then it would have been like this. Okay, but now we have to take the effect of combined factor 10 upon s. So how to do that? So for that you have to first draw this line 10 ka. Okay, then you draw the line for 1 upon s like this. Okay, like this. Then what you have to do? You have to draw a line this, parallel to this. Okay, parallel to this, such that no, before you draw a line parallel to this, what you have to do? You have to draw a line, you know, this line which is perpendicular to this, यहाँ से, this, and where it intersects this point. So through this point, you have to draw a line parallel to this 20, line parallel to 1 upon s. ये 1 upon s है. Okay. So now your final coded plot will be like this. You have to dark this now, like this, and then like this. Okay, so this is a combination plot. I saw this 10 upon s. Okay, and then
Sir, I cannot
phase
see the
angle plot. So
cursor.
cannot see.
I cannot see the way you're pointing. Like the cursor, I cannot see.
Okay, wait, let me see. Can you see this cursor now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, uh, so this the combined effect of 10 upon s will be like this, and like this. So this is what is your final body plot, ऐसा और ऐसा. If it is only 10, I am repeating again. If it is only 10, the body plot will be straight line like this. If it is only 1 upon s, the Bode plot will be like this. Since it is 10 upon s, the Bode plot will be like this and like this. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
We'll go down now. Now, if it is 1 upon t plus 1 upon 1 plus ts, or if it is 1 plus ts, then the graph will be like this, aisa, and like this. So, how to get this? Let us consider 1 upon 1 plus ts. S will be replaced by I omega. Okay, so 1 plus I omega t. So, G will be ऊपर 1 आएगा और नीचे अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर, रियल पार्ट स्क्वायर प्लस इमेजिनरी पार्ट स्क्वायर. करेक्ट? यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
सो जी इज इक्वल टू, अभी इसको हाफ लिखेंगे एंड देन विल टेक इट अप, सो माइनस हाफ. ऑलराइट, or we can write it like this, under root of this and minus 1. Okay, or we now g decibel is what? 20 log of, so 20 log of this, and a minus 1 है that we are taking over here. So g in decibel will be minus 20 log of root of 1 plus omega square t square. Is this clear? G in decibel.
Yes, sir.
Now, if suppose, now how to plot this for various values of omega t? T is a constant, isn't it? T is a time
Yes, sir.
constant, and it is a constant value. So we have to change the omega only, correct? So now for various values of omega t, suppose consider if the omega t values are very small, so you can ignore this. Okay, so you will have, if you ignore this, so you will have only root of 1, correct? Root of 1 is 1. All right.
Yes, sir.
So what will be this answer? G decibel for very small values of omega t.
1. No.
Log of 1 to the base 10, no? Minus 20
Yes, sir.
log of 1 to the
For the
base
base.
10.
Yes.
10. So what will be this answer? G decibel. Log of 1 is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So G in decibel will be
0, no?
0. Correct. Good. So for smaller values, you will get 0. So this is a 0, suppose, and this is omega. Okay?
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
so it will continue. Now the values of omega is increasing. Okay. Now suppose omega 2 values are more. Okay, more than 1, like say 100, 1000, 10,000. So that time we can ignore 1. Okay, like say suppose
Yes,
if
sir.
value of omega t is say 1000, so 1000 plus 1, so that 1 will not have any much effect, isn't it? So we can take only square root of 1000 only. So we can take only square root of omega square t square. So that is nothing but omega t, correct? No? So we can write this
Yes,
as
sir.
minus for higher values of omega square t square. G in decibel will be minus 20 log of under root of omega square t square, which is nothing but log of omega t, बराबर ना? स्क्वायर रूट साइन हट जाएगा, सो 20 log of omega t. ओके, सो माइनस 20 log of omega t मतलब क्या? अपना जो पहले जैसा था ना, 1/s, 1/s का कैसा था? सेम ना, माइनस 20 log of omega. So this is similar to 1/s. This is similar to 1/s. So what will be the slope? Minus 20 per decade. जैसे कि I will show again. 1/s का slope क्या था? What was the slope of 1/s? This is a graph of 1/s. So the slope was minus 20 decibel per decade. Decade
Yes, sir.
मतलब this is one decade, बराबर ना? So this is, इसका slope क्या आएगा? minus 20 per decade. 1/s square का स्लोप क्या आएगा? minus 40 per decade. 1/s cube का क्या आएगा? minus 60 per decade. If it is only s, so only s means it is like this. तो इसका स्लोप क्या आएगा? It's a positive line, बराबर ना? ऊपर जा रहा है, so
Yes, sir.
plus 20. If it is s square, it will be plus 40 per decade. If it is s cube, it will be plus 60 per decade. All right. I hope it is clear. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay. So that means as the omega t values are increasing, we get a slope like 1 upon s. Okay. So it will be like this. Now, where to get this point? That is, so here there is some trick. Okay. So this is tricky. Okay. So whenever it changes, okay, there the slope is 0, isn't it? At this point, the slope is 0, and from this it is changing to 20 decibel per decade. Okay, at this point. Okay, so I can say, if I want to find out this point, I can say this minus 20 log of omega t is equal to 0. Okay, so if this is 0, this has to be 1 because log of 1 is 0, isn't it? So omega t is equal to 1. That means omega is equal to 1 upon t. So this point is nothing but omega is equal to 1 upon t. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
So at this point, it is changing. The slope is changing. Omega is equal to 1 by t. So how did you find? You, what you did, you equated this to 0. You equated this to 0. Okay? So this was your 1 upon 1 plus Ts. That is simple pole at origin. Okay. And if it is simple zero means it is 1 plus Ts. So simple zero ka you will get like this and like this. So again you can find out the change. So let us see now one example. 14 mark का sum जो regular exam में आता था. Where it is a question. If once you understood this, no, then this becomes very simple. This is a question. A unity feedback control system has GSHS is equal to 80 upon S plus 2, S plus 20. So draw the Bode plot, determine change margin, phase margin, omega GC, that is change over frequency and phase over frequency, and comment on stability. Okay. So now you just have a look here whether you are understanding this. Hmm?
Yes. अरे नाही म्हणजे ते लोक सर्व इकडचे राहणारे नाही ना ते सर्व ठाण्यावरचे आहेत त्यांना कॉलेज
Madam, I am in lecture. I will call you later.
घरी गेलं
Hello. Just give me 2 minutes. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just try to understand how did you want this. Yeah.
मोठ्या भावाची पण मोठ्या
Hello.
Hello.
So you understood this? How did you work this? 80 upon s, s plus 2, s plus 20. So what we have done here, first we have taken 2 common. Okay. So this will become
Yes, sir.
1 plus s by 2 from this.
Yes, sir.
Huh? And then from here s plus 20 means you have taken 20 common. Okay. So this become 1 plus s upon 20. Is it clear? Right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
2 into 20 40 80 upon 40 is 2. so ऊपर 2 आएगा, so 2 can be written as 2 plus 0 I. Okay, and this is
Yes, sir.
one. Now, so now this is here 2. That means there is a k. So effect of k. See, we have learned how to plot. What will be the Bode plot for k? What will be the Bode plot for 1 upon s? What will be the Bode plot for 1 upon 1 plus ts? What will be the Bode plot for s square 1 plus ts? Isn't it? We have studied. So that is what
Yes,
we
sir.
have to now use it here. Hmm? So now see, this conforms to k, that is 2. This conforms to 1 upon s. This conforms to 1 upon 1 plus ts. This conforms to 1 upon 1 plus ts. So if you compare this 1 plus ts, so the value of t will be how much?
S by 2.
1 by 2, isn't it? 1 plus
Yes, sir.
ts if you compare, so the value of t will be 1 by 2. And if you compare this, what will be the value of t?
1 by 20.
1 by 20. Good. Huh? Okay, so the first changeover, how do you get the changeover? So first is 2. So here this will be 20 log of 2. Then you will have first changeover at omega is equal to 1 upon t. Okay. So 1 upon t means 1 upon, what is the value of t? Half.
1
Isn't
upon
it?
1. That is
1
1.
upon 1 upon 2. So that will be
Yes, sir. 2.
2. So first changeover, like you have a constant, then 1 upon s ka graph, that is minus 20 decibel per decade. Continue and it will change where at omega is equal to 2. Okay. Then there is an effect. The second changeover will be again at omega is equal to 1 upon t. So that is nothing but omega is equal to 1 upon 1 by 20. So that will be 20, isn't it? So the second changeover will
Yes, sir.
happen at, so let us see now how to, so this you understood, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then this is a calculation for your phase angle plot. Now how to draw the phase angle? Now here it is 2 plus 0 I, and this is I omega. Okay. And this will be 1 plus s you are replacing by I omega. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 I omega. This will be 1 plus 1 upon 20 I omega. Okay. So what will be the value of phi? Value of phi will be, now this is 0 upon 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0. So tan inverse of 0, that is 0. So 0 minus, अभी यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 0 minus, this is 0 plus I omega, बराबर ना? So omega upon 0, so that is infinity. So that will be, so 0 minus 90 minus tan inverse of what? Now what is the imaginary part? Half upon 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that will be tan inverse of half of omega upon 1, and again minus tan inverse of, what will be this? 20 omega upon 1, correct? So this is what we have written here.
Sir, I
Okay,
think the
so
screen
omega,
is not changed again.
again, not again change. There is actually a lag.
Yes, sir.
Is it changed now? This is, can you see?
No, sir. It's the same
No.
screen.
If it stands for, it's good that you are telling it. Now,
No, sir.
no. That means again I have to stop again. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you understood this 1 upon I omega, then minus tan inverse of omega by 2 minus tan inverse of omega 20. You understood how did you got this? This you got it from
Yes, sir.
that earlier equation. Okay. Now you take various values of omega, 0.1, 0.2 to infinity, and you find out. So if suppose if omega is say uh, 0.2, okay. So 1 upon then this. Now this for 1 upon I omega for this is तो पहला factor अपना आया था minus 90. So this is constant बराबर ना minus 90
Yes, sir.
minus tan inverse of omega 2 minus tan inverse of omega by 20. ठीक है.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is minus 90. Now here put omega 0.2. So 0.2 upon 2. Okay. So correspondingly from calculator you find out this value. Then again put omega 0.2 calculator say and then now you have to add this minus 90 minus 5.7 minus 0.2 so you'll get minus 96.27 if omega is
So
2
the first
uh,
row is 0
uh,
to 1 now, but
first row is
omega value is 0 to 1, not 0.1.
no 0.1 it is 0.1
So that you're
see
not
we have
substituting.
no we are substituting no so 0.1 this is this column first see and see here origin is not 0 origin you are taking 0.1 first is 0.1 then uske baad next is 1 then 1
Okay.
के बाद 10 then 10 के बाद decade I am talking हाँ point
Okay.
1 then point 1 के बाद 1 then 1 के बाद 10 10 के बाद 100 100 के बाद 1000 like that it is now
Yes,
first
sir.
column is minus 90 degree okay first how
Yes,
did you
sir.
got that minus 90 degree 1 upon s 1 upon s था ना so 1 upon s is
Yes, sir.
nothing but 1 upon 0 plus I omega correct no so
Yes, sir.
omega upon 0 that is infinity so that is tan inverse of infinity is minus 90 90 no and you have outside minus so minus point 1 you substitute here see this can you see this ये ऊपर चिपका हुआ थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
हाँ so here it is all minus 90
Okay.
so
Okay.
suppose point 1 substitute here so point 1 upon 2 that is 1 by 20 so if you have calculator you can calculate so tan inverse of 1 by 20 will be this 2.862
Okay. Okay.
like that so
Yes, sir.
and then infinity you will get all these values so
And
this
sir,
will be used
phi resultant, how do you get?
phi r means now what is the value of phi will be see now here what will be phi is equal to this is 0 okay tan inverse of 0 upon 2
Yes,
so
sir.
so you can write phi is equal to tan inverse of 0 minus what about this tan inverse of infinity
Yes, sir.
minus what about this tan inverse of omega by 2 minus tan inverse of omega by 20
Yes, sir.
okay so phi is equal to tan inverse of 0 is how much 0 minus tan inverse of infinity is how much 90 so 0 minus 90 minus 90 minus tan inverse of omega 2 minus tan inverse of omega 20 correct
Yes, sir.
so in for convenience it has been written in tabular form understand no
Okay,
hey
sir.
sir so phi r resultant means addition of this so it is actually 0 minus 90 minus tan inverse of omega 2 minus tan inverse of omega 20 so resultant is nothing but addition of all this
Okay, sir.
okay so these are the different values of omega now here last tan inverse of infinity 90 this is 90 so minus 90 minus 90 minus 90 so that will be minus 270 तीनों को ऐड करेंगे
Yes, sir.
result all right
Yes, sir.
so now this is what is your Bode plot is and this is your logarithmic scale is so logarithmic scale is like this instead of now this is your origin but we will say this is omega is 0.1 okay then omega is 1 then omega is 10 and omega is 100 okay then next decade is 1000 and so on all right Now first
Yes,
is
sir.
what is the value of k? What it was in the question में it is 80 था बराबर है, and then 80 becomes 2, correct? 80
Yes,
divided
sir.
by 40, so that becomes 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 2, so it will be 20 log of 2. So if you have calculator, you can calculate 20 log of 2 to the base 10, how much you will get. So that you will get it as, see, 20. Can you see this 20 log of k? So
Yes, sir.
20 log of k is now 2, correct? Na? So 20 log of 2, that will be 6. So suppose, had it been only 2, the plot would have been a straight line. We know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there is the effect of 1 by s. We have seen. So 1 by s का कैसा रहता है? Slope 20 decibels per decade. Okay. So what we will do? We will draw a line of 20 decibels per decade. ठीक है. Then what is our procedure? ये जो horizontal line है. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
so where it intersects, now this and this 20 decibel, okay, so that is 1, omega is equal to 1. First change is that, now this is omega is equal to 1, so you have to project the line from here to here on this line, and this point you have to draw a line parallel. ये जो dark किया है, this is a dark किया दिखता है ना, so this is a dark, so this dark line is parallel to k. So that means this is nothing but 2 by 1 upon s. ये हो गया ना, this plot is 2 by 1 upon s का plot हो गया. Okay. Now there is a effect of 1 plus omega by 2 and 1 plus omega by 20, बराबर ना, 2 more, correct?
Yes, sir.
So again now 1 by s, it conforms to 1 upon 1 plus ts. ठीक है. So that is again 20 decibels per decade. So इसका 20 है, इसका 20. So the total slope will be 40. Then again third के लिए it will be, again you will have to add 20, so that will be 60. So what we'll do, 20 का जैसा लाइन निकाला है वैसा ही you will draw the line of 40 decibel and 60 decibel slope का लाइन. ठीक है. Now you have drawn this. Okay. So this you have to extend and you have to see where it cuts. Okay, where it cuts. So let us say it cuts here. It cuts here. Let us say it cuts here. हाँ, ये जरा फोन घे. मी जरा बिझी आहे म्हणतो, व्हिडिओग्राफर. So now from this point you have to draw a line which is parallel to 40 decibel, because now we have to consider the effect of, we have to consider the effect of this. Okay, 1 plus
Yes, sir.
s by 2 and 1 plus s by 2. इसका हो गया, इसका हो गया. Now we have to consider this and we have to consider this effect. ठीक है. So this conforms to 20 decibel, this conforms to 40 decibel per decade, and this conforms to 60 decibels per decade. So this is very simple. थोड़ा complicate हो जाता है ग्राफ के ऊपर. So now from this point you will draw a line parallel to 40 decibel. इसको parallel line draw करने का, like this, यहाँ से. Okay. Now where it is changing, it will change at equal to this point. First change here. And what is this value? This value is
20.
this you are drawing. So now, how much is this? This is 20.
20.
बराबर ना. And how much is this? ये कितना है? And how much is this? This is 2. बराबर ना.
2.
So
Yes,
first
sir.
change over, it was at 1 by 2. बराबर ना. So 1 upon 1 by 2. So that is 2 बराबर ना. So that is the first change, and then from there you are drawing a line 40 decibel. Then second change was 1 by 1 upon 1 by 20, so that is 20, correct. So you will get this point. Is it clear? ये point मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Then from this point you draw another line which is parallel to 60 decibel, this code, and just leave it up to some line. That, so this is your final Bode plot. This, so this is the effect of k, that is 2 and 1 by s. This is the effect of 1 by 2, and this is the effect of 1 by 20. So ये आपका हो गया G amplitude plot. Now phase plot is very simple. Phase plot, it is very simple. So with a suitable scale, you have to draw a line at minus 180 degree. Okay, this is minus 180 degree. Then 30 degree, you go on drawing a line. So this is minus 150, 120, 90, like that. And then यहाँ पे भी 210, 240, 270. You understood this? Okay, this you
Yes, sir.
understood. Now you know the table, isn't it, which you have prepared.
Yes, sir.
This. So identify now point 1 के लिए what is the angle? Minus 93, 148, point 2, minus 96.27. So point 1 is here, okay, and then point 2 is somewhere here. Okay, so minus 93, it will come down, then minus 96, that is here. Are you getting this? And then just draw a line like this. Okay, did you understood this? How did you got this? Omega is 0.1, omega is 1 here. Okay, so in between just find out where is omega, and then from here you will get an angle. Then go on marking the points, and then you draw a smooth curve. Fine. So is this clear how to get this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So now once you are done this phase angle plot, then what is the solution? Now we are almost coming to the end. So omega GC, that is G for magnitude and P for phase and C for changeover. Hmm, C for changeover. So now omega, let us see omega PC, omega PC. So where is your omega PC? That is 6.35. Uh, that is C. Omega PC. So 6.35 is this. Now this is the center line of phase angle. This is the center line of phase angle. यहाँ पे क्या होता है now? Phase is changing. This is symmetrical about this point 180 degree. Correct? No. So here it is phase is changing. Okay. So at what point it is this phase angle plot? At what point it is cutting at, that you have to locate and see. So this is what is your omega, that is frequency for phase changeover. मतलब आपका जो phase है वो यहाँ पे change हो रहा है. So that is at 6.35. Similarly, here is your gain is changing. ये आपका जीरो का लाइन है, बराबर है? Are you understanding? यहाँ
Yes,
पे
sir.
आपका gain change हो रहा है. Okay, so where it is changing, you just project it down. So that is at 2.1. ये जो है ना, this is 1 and then this line is 2.1. Can you see this? तो 2.1 पे आपका जो गेन है ना वो चेंज हो रहा है, जीरो से पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में जा रहा है. और यहाँ पे भी at this line it is changing from this point to this, ऐसे. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if, and then now you have to identify how much is gain margin and how much is phase margin. Okay, so gain margin is how much. How to find out the gain margin? So wherever changing, this is important, wherever the phase is changing, the phase is changing here. Now you find out this this distance, that is this from 0 to this. You project this line, okay, over here where it intersects. So you find out this. So this is what is your gain margin. Okay, so how much is the gain margin? 21 decibel. How 21 decibel? देखो एक लाइन ये जो है वो 20 डेसिबल का है, 20 40, सो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट से नीचे है, सो यू कैन से 20 और 20 डेसिबल. अगर इफ इट इज डाउन, okay, you take it as positive. If it is up, you take it as negative. So gain margin is plus 21 decibel. Now what about phase margin? Phase margin किधर देखेंगे? Wherever it is intersecting here, so you project it down and you check this. So this PM is nothing but the phase margin. How much is this? This is ये 30 है और and some this. So this comes around 38 from here to here. So phase margin is 30. अभी phase के लिए ऊपर का प्लस लेने का, नीचे का माइनस लेने का, तो इसके उल्टे. So if gain margin is positive and if phase margin is positive, then it's stable. So this is what is
Yes, sir.
asked. The question में what was asked? Find out what was asked. Determine gain margin. So you got determine phase margin. You got determine frequency at which gain is changing, and determine frequency at which phase is changing. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
comment on the stability. And comment on the stability. If gain margin and phase margin both are positive, then system is stable. I said. So you have to practice this on a. You have to, if you have semi-log paper, then only you can practice it. And if you practice it, then only it will be registered uh,
Yes, sir.
in your mind. Otherwise, no. First thing is that if you are really interested, see, now this question will not be asked, but if you are really interested, then once we stop this, then you again uh, go through this, hmm, go
Okay, sir.
through this file and see how it is done. Otherwise, tomorrow, even if you try to look at this, you might have forgotten. You may still remember tomorrow, but day after tomorrow, so totally you may forget it.
Yes, sir.
And you can go through it, just try to recall, and then if we have semi-log paper, if you can get it, then you can get some 2 3 semi-log paper and you can practice it. So it is like this, like suppose if it is now, this is positive gain margin, this is positive phase margin. See abhi ye gain hai na, see this is a 0 degree line, gain is changing here and phase is changing here. Okay, so if gain margin is positive and phase margin is positive, system is stable. Now see here phase is changing, so this is your gain margin, so this is negative, upper wala negative. So if it is gain margin is negative and phase margin is this is your negative, ऊपर का positive, this is negative, then it is unstable, like that it is.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So that was the end of control engineering.
Yes.
And I think I have mailed. Did you had a look on your mail? Did you check? I mailed you a question bank.
For the no, sir. Wait, I'll check.
Here, I will just show you. Here, describe the rules of the root locus with example.
Yes,
You
sir.
can see, this screen, root
Yes,
of
sir.
the root locus with example. So, rules of the root locus with example means that 8 rules and
Eight
एक
rules. Yes, sir.
example. Write, write a short note on the body plot. So, body plot short note, what is the use of it, what is the advantage, logarithmic, then how it can be, how the it can be helpful for determining the stability of the system. Then explain controllability with example, explain observability with example. Two separate questions.
Yes, sir.
And then in context to the second order system, explain TD, TR, TP, MP. So you have to just define and give the formula. This is
Okay.
all there in the notes. Delay time,
Yes.
rise time, peak or shoot. So I'll take your 5 more minutes.
Yes, sir.
And of course, the we are meeting in the second semester, and the support will be always there. Anytime if you have doubt, you can always call me, and we can have a Google Meet.
Yes, sir.
So summary, this is just 4 page. So this will be What is open loop? Example I have given: house heating, conveyors, closed loop, governors, textile mill, unstable system. Two peoples in heated argument, so system is unstable. Cancer is an unstable because cancer is nothing but uncontrolled growth of the cells. Uncontrolled growth of the cells. Cancer is stable system, sound system, then electronic instrument. These are here the control engineering plays very important role. हाँ, ammeter,
Yes.
voltmeter, because ammeter voltmeter का जो pointer है ना, moment the current is passed, that pointer should not keep on vibrating. It should stop immediately, isn't it? If it is analog,
Yes, sir.
now it is all digital, but it should stop immediately. If it keeps on vibrating, then how you will record? How you will note down the reading? Control engineering. What is the role of control engineering? Modeling, simulation of dynamics, converting an open loop to closed loop, improving the performance or behavior of a uh, closed loop system. Overall system performance by designing an appropriate control system. Laplace method is used for solving differential equation. So d by dt is s. Then MATLAB or Simulink is used to solve the differential equations. And integration of dt is you can just substitute 1 by s. So Simulink is a module in MATLAB. So it is like your virtual analog computer. So simulations can be done in analog computers, right? Using MATLAB. MATLAB can also be used to find the eigenvalues. So what is the use of MATLAB? It facilitates the analysis and design of dynamic system. So MATLAB is very important software. You try to learn that. Simulink is this Professor Saurav in mechatronics is taking. No, he has MATLAB. So he can help you.
Okay, sir.
He's showing you any simulation in Festo or something. Simulation of
Yeah, he
uh,
was showing the. Uh,
uh,
I don't know what is it exactly, but he had
circuits.
used it once
Circuits that
for the 4 volt to output that we had
correct.
used.
Pneumatic
Yes, sir.
and hydraulic circuits.
Yes, sir.
So he has MATLAB also. So in MATLAB, no, you can get the root locus, you can get the uh, this thing Bode plot. Now what? Now there is no practicals. No? Otherwise, I used to conduct this in MATLAB when there was practicals in control engineering. Then
Yes.
transfer function is used for capturing the dynamic characteristics of physical systems. Block diagram reduction simplifies the multi-transfer function into one transfer function. So there are various ways to represent a mathematical model like differential equation, transfer function, signal flow graph. Electrical system can be represented by Kirchhoff's voltage law or Kirchhoff current law. Fluid system by hydraulic pneumatic. So mechanical rotation system. So thermal system, the principle is conservation of energy. Energy remains same. Hydraulic and pneumatic may it is conservation of mass. Mechanical may it is F is equal to ma. Mathematical relationship can be described by differential equation. Modeling is nothing but to develop mathematical relationship. Then you have to first create a schematic model, then obtain mathematical model, then check the model, obtain the values of coefficient in the model, then simulate to confirm the validity of the model, and test. This is what uh, simulation and validation of mathematical model on computer. Positive feedback that is amplified. It increases the sensitivity, but it reduces the stability. Sensitivity means what? For a small change, it should react faster. And stability means it should come to the stable position immediately. So if you want very good sensitivity, then you have to compromise on stability. I said. Generally, you use negative feedback in all the control systems. Open loop transfer system is represented by this GSHS. Okay. Closed loop transfer function, open loop transfer function. closed loop transfer function is represented by this Gs upon 1 plus GSHS. Unity feedback control system is very common type of feedback system. It has a gain of 1 in the feedback path. So that's why you get this 1 plus GS. Eigenvalues, that is, are the mathematical essence of a dynamic system. For a system to be stable, all its eigenvalues should have negative real parts. Ruth criteria can find this. So no need to solve boundaries on parameter values can be given that guarantee the stability. Unstable system is useless. We don't want unstable system. Hmm. So how to check the stability? First step is to use Laplace transform to convert differential equation to more convenient algebraic model. Then you manipulate uh, and then find out the roots. If any roots are in the right half, that is positive, that means the system is unstable. That we have seen in root locus. You remember morning mein root locus. If it is on the
Yes, sir.
positive, the system is unstable. If it is a negative, then system is stable or it can be marginally stable. Then time domain performance characteristics. It can be first order or second order. So time constant t. T is nothing but a parameter which is used to describe dynamic system behavior. Time, it is the time it takes for a system to reach 63% of its final value when subjected to step input. So T is a parameter. This is important. We have been using this continuously used to describe dynamic system behavior. First order transfer function is given by this k upon 1 plus Tn. Second order में you have under damp, critically damp and over damp. So under damp में it has two complex poles. Critically damp में two equal real poles. Over damp में you have two different real poles.
Yes, sir.
So this also I have shown in the diagram forms. Mein. Root locus shows the path of migration of the roots, how the roots travels as the system gain is increasing. So it gives you system gain, it gives you roots also. How parameters should be changed to improve the performance or to improve the stability. So as the value of coefficient changes, all the roots changes and gives a curve. Okay. And frequency response analysis. Here is a filter with the logarithmic frequency characteristics. So frequency response analysis, it is helpful for stability to determine the nature and duration of transient response, and it can check the steady state accuracy. Most of the time input is sinusoidal and response is sinusoidal of the same frequency but different amplitude and phase. Many applications represent information in frequency domain rather than in time domain. Okay. So these are the Bode plot I was telling you, no, short note. So you can use this Bode plot of audio amplifier. Uh, so whether the amplifier amplifies all the frequency components in a given signal. Hmm. So that can be checked by Bode plot. Flow meter, Bode plot is useful if a flow meter can deduct quick changes in the major flow. Frequency response plot of microphone. So this is it. Reveals if microphone can capture high frequency. Then Bode prop of speaker, if speaker can reproduce the signals received from the audio amplifier. Otherwise music will be distorted. Auxiliary equation and is an equation with one variable and equated to zero. So which is derived from a given linear differential equation and in which the coefficient and power of the variable in each term corresponds to the coefficient, and this is what we saw in root locus as well as in Routh's criteria. Now one last page, just wanted to refresh all the techniques what we learned that I told you in the beginning. Let me see whether it is here or it is in some other. See. Hmm. So any system, it goes through the transient response, okay, for a certain time, and it achieves then steady state. Okay. So one is called as the transient response. This is very important. Another is called as the steady state response. Right? Understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So
Yes, sir.
transient response can be studied. Now you know by Root's criteria, by root locus, and by analog comp. Analog complement of simulation. And frequency response, that is steady state response, can be found out by Bode plot, Nyquist, you know, -1 0 wala, and magnitude phase angle fact. Magnitude phase is nothing but your Bode plot. Okay. Then Laplace and classical solution, that can give you both, because this may you get a two solution. One is your complementary solution, and that is steady state solution. So this is the heart of the control engineering. Besides
Yes.
this, we also learned signal flow graph. Then we also learned second order system. Then we also learned controlling and observability, which is not here. It is signal flow graph, second order system, steady state modeling, and controllability and observability. So signal flow graph can be for 7-8 marks. Controllability and observability will be 10 marks. Second order system will be for second 7 to 8 marks, and steady state modeling will be for 5 marks. Like that it will be.
Okay, sir.
So I wish you all the best and stay in touch because your
Yes, sir. Sir,
exams are starting from
before the exam, if
22nd.
I need any help, then it's
Huh?
okay if I call.
Yeah. Always, anytime.
Yes, sir.
Anytime.
Okay.
Only this month there is no college. No, we are working from home, so we will not be able to meet in the college. But we can
Okay,
have
sir.
discussion on the Google Meet like this.
Yes, sir. Okay.
No issue. Absolutely. And definitely before your exam will meet at least once or minimum once. We should meet just
Yes, sir.
to discuss the nature of the paper. And before the unit test, we are meeting once. Na?
Yes, sir. So
All
when
right.
when is the test will be when?
No, second unit test, you tell me. Uh, I have given you the question bank. You go through it
Okay, sir.
and tell me. Only I will not be available on 13th.
Okay, sir. That is
13th I
Tuesday,
will
now.
not. Tuesday. Tuesday
Yes.
I won't be
Okay, sir.
available. Gudi Padwa, no? So
Okay, sir.
I
Okay,
won't be
sir.
available on 13th. So other than 13th, you tell me.
Okay, sir.
Any day you tell me. So I will just make a PDF file of the question paper and I will mail you. Then
Yes, sir. I'll tell
within
you,
an
sir.
hour, you tell me. Huh?
Yes.
We'll call it a day.
Yes, sir. Sir, and the
Uh,
previous UT test is okay.
I sent you no that 19 marks.
Acha,
I mailed
I didn't
you.
check my mail. Okay.
You didn't check.
No,
No,
sir.
there also that 1 mark also I don't know. You have not checked. Yeah,
No, sir. I'll
I will
check it,
show
sir.
you that mail. Right, huh? Uh, see, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
See, now I have sent you on 4th April.
Okay, sir.
4th April, 6 days ago. Your score is 19. Uh, because you are not written explanations, no, in question number 1 and 2. Some
Yes,
explanation,
sir.
some textual explanation is required.
Okay,
So
sir.
there you lost 1 mark.
Okay, sir.
So this I have informed Rao sir, and Rao sir is the coordinator for ME exam.
Okay, okay, sir.
Coordination, that is exam, unit test, Viva, etc. All that he will coordinate.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or कुछ anything else?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this
So
is
thank
the
you so
question
much.
bank or the question bank is different for UT2.
For UT2, this is a question bank. This, and out
Okay,
of this, I will ask the questions.
okay, okay.
Like now, rules of the root locus, you know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what not also you know. Controllability and observability. Now you have to see, and this. So you have to once go through. Okay, all these questions, and you have to see how you will be comfortable because you have 1 hour's time, no, 1 hours 15 minutes.
Yes. Sir, is there
I think
any book
UT
available for control
one book
engineering?
is that one book is Goel Bakshi. I don't know whether
Goel
e-copy
Bakshi.
is available. Yeah, Control Engineering by Goel Bakshi. That is sufficient.
Okay,
And if you want to learn in detail, then Principles of Control System by Ogata.
okay, sir.
Ogata. So that is another book. But the Goel Bakshi is just sufficient.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But
I'll
I
find out
don't
in the
know
shop
whether
if it's
uh,
there.
I don't know whether ebook is available. But in the library there are plenty of copies. But I don't know now whether library will be open or not. Whether the people are coming because uh, complex they have said it is closed till 30th April. Only essential staff like office staff one or two, and in the ashram one or two they are going.
Okay,
So
okay.
you will have to check up with
I'll call
HOD.
and ask them.
That library whether it is open and can I get book. So you list down the books for all other subjects also, and if it is
Yes, sir.
open, then you just visit library and take all the books,
Yes, sir. Okay.
all the for all the subjects you can take.
Yes, sir.
And you let me know about unit test when to
Yes,
conduct.
sir. I'll tell you.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And if you have any doubts, anytime you are welcome.
Yes.
And okay, so we are there for another 1.5 year. Don't worry, because
Yes.
one more semester I'll be there for your camp.
Yes, sir.
Moment this is over, then immediately I think this exam is over. Then maybe April end or May we'll have to start camp, and again that will be a marathon. What to do because that exam will be in the month of June. So again we'll
Yes.
have to finish it in. You are cooperating, that's why we are able to finish it. And then next year will be your project
Yes, sir.
after July. Very
Yes, sir.
fast.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Sir, do you
Mm,
have any seniors number anything so then if PM might have the e-copy of the book, then I can ask him.
Seniors for e-copy.
Yes, sir.
Uh, See, the now last was Divya Raut, but I think nobody has studied through e-copy. But I will
Acha.
pass the number certainly, because that time it
Okay.
was offline only. This is the
Ah,
first
yes, sir.
ME semester which is going online. So
Okay.
everybody had used to take the copies from the library, Ogata. Uh,
Yes, sir.
See, you can write, control system by Ogata. You just write on the spelling O for orange,
Yes, sir.
G for girl,
Yes, sir.
A for America,
Okay.
T for tiger,
Okay.
and A for America,
Okay.
Ogata. And then another
Okay.
is Goel and Bakshi. Goel and Bakshi, you know, no? This you can
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Goel, Goyal, and Bakshi,
Yes.
Bakshi.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'll pass the number, nothing wrong. You can check up.
Fine, sir. Fine. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Most welcome.